Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to alert your viewers when they have a chance to earn in game loot. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on channel. Then you should scroll down and tap on customize channel. Tap on settings in this left side column and click on stream. After that you should scroll down to the bottom of this section where you can see drops and rewards, so tap on this button to alert your viewers when they have a chance to earn in-game loot. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.